Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be preparing honey glazed pork shoulder. So for this I'll be using pork shoulder steak. So I've got 4 cuts of steak and they have already been cleaned. And I'm going to go ahead to prepare the marinade. And in here I've got white wine vinegar, cider vinegar, red wine vinegar and soy sauce. So the combination of this is going to help to balance the sweetness of the honey glaze. So I'm going to place the steak into this and leave it to marinate for about an hour or more. So while that is marinating, I'm going to go ahead to prepare the honey glaze. So in this bowl, I've got honey, and I'll be adding pork seasoning. So this pork seasoning is got a blend of herbs and spices. It also has sage and onions, and as you know, sage and onions goes very well with pork. So into this, I'll be adding smoked paprika as well as salt and sesame oil. So I'm going to mix this together, and your honey glaze should be thick and sticky. So the steak has marinated nicely. You can tell from the color that it has actually soaked up the marinade nicely. And I've already preheated my oven. So I'm going to place this on the oven rack and roast in the oven for 10 minutes on each side at 170 degrees. So after roasting, I'm going to start applying the honey glaze. So because it's still hot, as I apply the honey glaze, it's melting on top of the steak. So I'll apply this on both sides of the steak, and then I'll be placing this back in the oven for another 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, the steak has roasted nicely, and you can see the glaze. And for you to enjoy your pork steak, it has to be juicy and crunchy. So try and avoid overcooking the steak. It has to be crunchy. And this is looking so nice. You can have this with anything you like, and for this I'm having mine with some fries and salad on the side. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.